Hello, my name is Thomas Kim. In this session, I will demonstrate how to fix resource bug. If you haven't watched my previous video, please watch my previous video. And you don't need to follow with me in this session. This session is just to demonstrate you how to fix resource bug and the symptoms that you will encounter infrequently while developing MFC application. This kind of resource bug is really hard to trace if you are a novice programmer, especially you don't have much experience with Visual Studio MFC Resource Editor. This kind of resource bug can be very frustrating. So I will demonstrate you how to fix how to suspect such kind of symptoms and also how to fix them. I will open a solution that I prepared in advance to demonstration purpose, and you don't need to follow with me. I loaded a solution, and in the solution and the resource view, and I open ribbon, and I will drag and drop a button. I will name it as load Sarah, and I will cap the caption of this button will be Sarah, and I will add another button. It will be its ID will be load care group, and its caption will be care group. You don't need to follow with me. This is just for demonstration purpose. So I will add event handler here, then click. Then I will add another event handler. Click. Since I prepared these two functions already in advance, I will comment out and I will uncomment. Uncomment. And this is exactly the same code that we coded in the previous session. So some of you who followed with me in my previous session may have such kind of symptoms and some very frustrating situations, such like features will not function properly as expected. Command does not function properly as we expect. I clicked Sarah. Please note that it is supposed to open bitmap to load bitmap from resource file, but it opens file and it is working properly. But what about this? This image and Sarah actually gives me the same command and it's not working. I will try another one. Okay, it's working. But Sarah is also exactly the same command like image and Sarah. So I will fix them. Why such kind of resource bug happens? That's because in some case, especially your machine is slow, MFC resource editor cannot handle properly the resource file, especially macros like defined in resource.h. If you scroll down, you will find that we found that three identical resource ID, like load image and load button. Load button is actually I entered to regenerate this resource bug, and these three these two are also the same resource ID, and our next list added value should be 5. And I will to remedy this, I will fix this situation, I will close it, and I will open it like resource symbol, and then I still scroll down. We know that this button is not used, so I will remove it, delete it, and please note that these two have the same ID is assigned. We can change it like something different. We will change it to 5, and I will change it to resource ID. Oh, I cannot change it. View use. Okay. So I will open it again. So it's hard to change. So I will manually edit it and close, save. I will open the header file once again. Open it. And I scroll down. Please note that these two are still the same numbers. So I will change it to 3, and it is 4, and this 5. Then the last number should be, this number should be the biggest one of this number. Next number should be 6. So I manually fixed the resource.h file, and I save it, and I will run it once again. I will build and run. Rebuild. Okay, I will run. Okay, let's test it. Open image. Open image works as expected. Sarah hasn't fixed. It's the same as before. Goof is working. No, Goof is not working. It's displaying wrong image. Wrong image. So the situation haven't changed anything at all. Even if we fixed resource.h, we fixed the resource.h file, and everything should be working fine. But there is another problems here, and the problem comes from resource ribbon, MFC Resource. We have to open it, resource, and here MFC ribbon. This is the cause of our problem, and we have to open and edit it. Please note that if it is open in your Visual Studio Editor, I will open it, drag and drop to Notepad, and I open this ribbon file. So here in this ribbon file, MFC Ribbon, this file is in this folder, resource RES folder, and I have to find this number. I will fix one by one. Hot beating from this one. It should be causing problems. Down here, and let's see. View, model. Oh, I lost here. Please note that this number should be, I will make it smaller. Please note that this number should be 3277.3, and this number is correct. Then I will search for the next. It should be up, and this number is also, this number should be 4, and we save it, and the last one, we'll fix it, find and replace. This one should be 375. Please note that to edit this MFC ribbon file, this file, you should not open resource file, this ribbon file, MFC ribbon. You should not open it in Visual Studio. So I saved it and close it. Then now I will build and run this program again. Yes, let's try. Okay, it displays Sarah. It displays Kiakup and image file. Okay, everything seems to be working fine now. And heart beating, image. Heart beating is stopped, output. Heart beating. As you can see, now everything looks working fine. Like this. So when you think your code is correct but does not function properly, sometimes you may have to suspect your resource files, as I have shown you in this video. And also the last command value should be the last biggest one, the next one, like 32776, like this. Thank you. Bye.